Hey everyone, welcome back to CraftyPlannerLovR. My name is Megan, and today we are going to be planning in my Hobonichi Weeks Catchall planner for the week of June 1st through the 7th using this beautiful sparkly blue kit from SammyLynnPlanning. SammyLynnPlanning is amazing, and I love her shop, and I am actually on her PR team. So if you use my code Megan20, it'll save you 20% off of your order from her shop, and you will receive my freebie. This is what it looks like for the month of June. It is so pretty, and I love it so much, and I definitely think you guys should check out SammyLynnPlanning when you get the chance, because she's awesome. Alright, so that is everything for this planner. Let's go ahead and get into the actual planning. So I'm going to be about 8,000% real with you. I am filming ahead of time, which I think you guys are already aware of, because obviously you've seen these nails before, and you are like, Megan, girl, you need to change your nails. It's because I'm filming ahead of time, because at the time of me filming this, I have not quite done it yet, but you will be seeing a new background in next week's spreads, because I will be moving to, well, I will have already moved to Orlando for right now, for the foreseeable future. Yeah. At the current moment, though, I'm only moving to Orlando for the summer, and then we will go from there. So, I am excited. I know that you guys are excited, at least if you, I hope you're excited. I would hope so. But anyway, I'm excited about it because I have missed living with my sister, and I am excited to, you know, do some new things and to be a little bit more independent, because, you know, when you live with no way to drive yourself to and from places, and you rely on transportation, you don't really have the freedoms that you want. So, you know, it's fine. It's all good. We're going to be okay. So, I am pre-filming all of this content is what I wanted to try to let you guys know. So that is why I do not know how everything went for, you know, the plane flight or anything. However, I will be editing this probably the day they go. So I'll be able to let you guys know if everything went okay, which it better. Because my sister and my dad are flying to Vancouver because they are going on a trip to Alaska. So by the time this video goes up, they will already be, wait, will they? Yeah, they will already be in Alaska on their cruise, and they're very excited. My sister she has she's going on a Disney cruise. They're both going on a Disney cruise together. And she has the package, what is it called? The internet package? Yeah, that's what it's called. She has the internet package, so I'll be able to keep a track of what she's doing and, you know, see everything and be heckin' nosy, because I've never been on a Disney cruise and she's never been on a Disney cruise. My dad has, and he is very excited about going on a cruise. So y'all will see all of the cruise footage, because she is actually filming. She is going to vlog while she's down there, and you guys should, question mark on should, but hopefully yes, be getting some cruise vlog footage from their cruise in back in October of last year. You should be getting that footage this week, because I am going to be filming or editing a lot while they are in Alaska, because A, I do not want to be so behind on their footage, but also because I will have a full 2 weeks of doing absolutely jack shiz while they are in Alaska, and the only thing I have to do is watch Bruce, who is my sister's dog. Oh wait, I can show you. I showed you him last week, but I'm going to show you him this week because he's adorable. I have little pictures printed out for my sister out of the traveling journals, so that's why I have this picture at hand. Isn't he cute? He's a golden retriever, and his name is Bruce Wayne. Yes, like Batman. He is the best thing in the world, and I cannot wait to snuggle him. And at the time of me editing, I can guarantee you that he is snuggling right next to me watching me edit and asking me why I am not giving him pets and cuddles. And if he is, I will be inserting a picture so you guys can see, because he is a little spoiled brat, but I love him to death. So, but yes, I am very, very excited to have 2 weeks to do absolutely nothing before I have to go, you know, do my job and like start my job, because, you know, guts to work. But at the current time, we're going to be relaxing and chillaxing all day. Let's do these two, because I can stack them like that. And then we will do these two, because they are similar in color. This is my to-do list. Now, I don't know what this list is going to be for, because once upon a time, my to-do list was to film and edit. However, or not film and edit, that's my social media planner, to plan and to clean, but I won't really need to worry about that as far as like obviously I'll clean, because I'm not going to be a gross weirdo and not clean up, but I don't really have to worry about the cleaning list too much, because it's going to be different. So I don't know what it's going to be. I don't know what it's going to be like. I don't know what I'm going to do. So I'm just kind of flying by the seat of my pants and hope that things will, I'm gonna do it this way, that things will have, I will have things that are happening, you know. I know I'm making so much sense. It's fine, guys. Everything's great. Alright, these are gonna go here. Notes for the week. Okay, and then we have our 3 checklists that we always like to have. So let's do that one there, this one here, and then let's do this one. Ooh, you know what? That's fine. We'll just do this. Give me that. We'll put you down here, and then this will be our other list. Actually, we'll put this here. Perf. So then we're gonna do this week. We're gonna do a to-do. Let's do to clean. Then let's do to plan. Yes, I know it says to buy, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that. To plan. Boop. And how about we do important? Let's do to clean down here. We'll do important here. We'll do to clean here. Perfect. All right. Look at that. We are finished. That spread went by really fast. I feel like I need some sort of like doll or something in here, right? We need to fill up the space. Let's see our going places RongRong sticker book and see if there's any dolls in here that we can use, because most of the time there's not. Okay, here's some denim dolls. Okay. I like her. We'll put her on here. Okay. I like her. Don't know if I want to use that one though. I'm gonna hold on to her. This girl wins. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Okay, just gonna move all these down. Oh, that's crooked. Okay, there we go. let's move this back to the original place that I was going to put it at, which was right here. Okay, and then we're going to move these down. Okay, and we're going to stick her here. Ooh, hold on. I want her to go like right there. So then maybe we'll have to do it this way, where this one goes here and this one goes here, like that, and then we can put this right there. Huh! There we go. See, now we have some deco. And then I think I'm going to add these little vases. Do they fit the theme that I'm going for? No, not particularly. But does it look like I care? Also no, it does not. So we're putting them in there. And I am going to include this Time to Relax sticker, except instead of the flamingos, I'm going to cut it off because we don't need that. So I'm going to put Time to Relax right here. And then this one says Enjoy Life, which I like, so we're going to put that on here too. Oh, we're going to put it right here. Alright, now the spread is done, because now I don't have anything else to add to it. And I think adding those RongRong girls was a very, very good idea, because it definitely added to that extra space that I needed to fill up. If you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my channel. If you want to see my spreads in this planner, you can check out the Hobonichi Weeks playlist. I will have it linked at the end of this video and in the description box below, along with the information for SammyLynnPlanning and my PR code, so that you guys can save some money off of your order when shopping on SammyLynnPlanning. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys.